Hello, everyone. This is Enzo from SAJ Technical Support. So today I would like to introduce our new product. So first of all, let me introduce our company's vision and energy management service for green buildings. And also mission, establishing a green, smart, and efficient energy environments for creating a better future. Let's go next. So as now you can see, we start our business from 2005. And in 2011, so we entered the PV inverter. So that's our first generation's inverter. And in 2013, we established, get into the Belgian markets, and until now. So, yep, next one. Yep, from these pictures, and we can see about our company, over 17 years industry experience, and also we have 6 kick zones about including Europe, Middle East and Africa, and Asia, Australia, North America, and South America. We have over 80s worldwide business footprints, and also have a 254 effective IP rights. And now here is about our thoughts about energy management, which is including energy generation, conversion, transformation, and consumption storage. So that's all in one about management. And our product including residential, commercial, and portable and mobile energy management. So we have a all-round product here. And according to this one, you can see we have 3.6 gigawatt hours storage per year here. And this one. So in the future, we're going to have a solar home service and open platform and commercial future energy service. So which is going to solve energy monitoring and analyze regulation and also O&M management. So that will be will provide all-round service from our service. And now get to the point. Let's back to the point, and our product, all-in-one residential energy storage solution, which is HS2. It's really easy to install and safe, reliable, flexible, and powerful and high efficiency. So let me explain to you one by one. So we'll introduce you later. So first, this is the diagrams about HS2's wiring diagrams and the power diagrams. As you can see, our HS2, which is connected to, we have a backup side, so which can support backup load with a UPS. And also we will has Portal, like it's called a solar portal, which is connected by Wi-Fi or 4G Ethernet. That means it will be upload the data to the cloud, and we can monitoring or remotely change the parameters and everything on our app, just from the app and the website. So this is here. Next, so the first of the point, easy to install. So according to this one, the picture, the first picture, you can say that it's a stocking limit design. So it can easily put the battery, like easily put the put the batteries on the on that and simply hang it on the wall. So, and it's a really easy to install for, not too many installation job here. And also we are using special connector. So it's a new type of a connector, which is compared with the traditional lock and a screw fixation. And also using special connector can save about 30% time when installing the whole battery system. So it's really easy to install it. And our new system with UPS function. So the UPS switch times within 10 milliseconds. And also we have AC and DC type 2 SPD. And also AFCI's production, also integrated inside of the inverter. Right. Then is a LiFO PO4 battery core for automobile grade. So it is the longest, I think it's the longest cycle life battery so far now, which is provide extra safe and stable power. So yeah, it's really safety. You can install it on in the garage, or even though you can install it inside of the house. So next one. So dual switch production. So according to this picture, is this I think it's a left side of HS2. So there's have a 1000 volts rate DC, and 63 amps rate current. So it can also 6 kilowatts amps high breaking capacity, and the whole dual switch production in all series. So no matter 10 kilowatts or 5 kilowatts, they all having this. So yep, this is the switch production. And you can see that there's a lot of certifications over here. So including over voltage production or discharge production, short circuits, balance and overcharge, over currents, and temperature, low temperatures protection. So we all support it, and also pass the Europe UN 38.3. Yep, and here. So from the top, you can see that's HS2. At the bottom, as you can see that there's have a 1, 2, 3, 4 battery installed below the HS2. That means, 4 maximum module, like battery module designed for single phase inverter could be extended to, 4 that's called 4B2 battery. And for 3-phase inverter, we support, it could be extended to 5 It could be extend to 5B2 battery. So as you can see in this picture. And here is the three-phase imbalance output. So here you can see there's two diagrams here. Let me talk about the first one. So as you can see, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, like among them all have 2 kilowatts outputting the production. So on L1, so there's no consumption on L1, so the directly export to the grid 2 kilowatts. On L2, so you can see there's a 3 kilowatts consumption being used. So it has to be import 1 kilowatts power to the power first, and 2 kilowatts power from the inverter provide to the consumption. So totally minus 1 kilowatts. And look on the L3, there's have a 2 kilowatts, and on L3 has 1.5 kilowatts backup consumption. So 2 minus 1.5, it will be export to the grid 0.5 kilowatts. This is the diagram without imbalance. And the second one is with imbalance output. So as here you can see the situation is totally changed. On L1, as the same as the first one, so 1.5 export to the grid directly, 1.5. So this L2, there's to have a 3 kilowatts consumption being used. So inverter will provide 3 kilowatts onto L2 to the consumption. And L3, there's a 1.5 backup consumption. So the inverter directly calculated, it has calculated, said there's a 1.5 kilowatt. So it will be output 1.5 kilowatts directly to backup consumption. So we have both functions right now. Like we can set it up without imbalance output. Also, we can set it up as with imbalance output. So that's really depends on the situations out there. So yeah, this is the imbalance output. Next. So this one is export limitation. So as far as I know, there's a couple, there's some countries, not allowed to, not allowed inverter export to the grid, like the outputting couldn't be export to the grid. So we have this function. What we do is use a smart meter with the CT and to, use that meter, and the CT could be detect the current and also detect the power on L1, L2, L3. So we can monitoring the whole export and import power from the grid or to the grid. So, and also we're using just a communication cable connected between the inverter and the meter. So that's what we do. Once the meter detect there's a powers trying to export to the grid, so the inverter will suddenly to reduce the production, and just in case there's any power to export to the grid, right? So this is the whole system. And now, powerful and high efficiency. So as you can see here is the left side of our inverter HS2. So we have a 2-string. You can see like 2 MPPT, PV1 and PV2, right? So we support the products support DC 60 amps, 16 amps strength to match with the ultra high PV module. So it support 150% DC oversizing. Yep. So here's a chart. There's a chart you can see we're supporting M10 and the G12 here. Yep, next. So powerful and efficiency. As you can see, the picture, it could be, HS2, this is a 3-phase HS2, up to 5 modules connected in 4 parallels. 5, so that may be, so let me just say, one HS2 with one 3-phase HS2 inverter could connect it with 5 B2. So one B2, I think one B2 is 5.0 kilowatts hour. So 5 should be 25 kilowatts hour. And except that, and we can still have a 4 parallel. So we can another have 325 kilowatts hours more. So that means we can go to 100 kilowatts hours capacity. Yep, that's it. Yep, that's the whole info of our new product HS2. So if there's any questions, then just say in the future, like we will gonna introduce our new product or more detailed info for the system. I will let you know. Catch y'all later. See ya. Have a good day.